If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Update your game. Make sure that you have the latest version of Elden Ring installed. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve stability. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install any available updates. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help resolve crashing issues. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can lead to performance issues and crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for your system. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings in Elden Ring can improve performance and reduce the likelihood of crashes. Go to the game settings and adjust options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details to see if this helps. Step 5. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements to run Elden Ring. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading components or playing on a lower setting to enhance stability. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.